Let's take a look at a 2K camera, and this is a great camera if you're going to do any kind of Zoom calls or any meetings. If you guys notice, the microphones are in here in this, and if you guys know, two side-by-side microphones, there is an actual grabbing station for your actual monitor here, so it grabs onto the monitor. It could be a laptop or desktop if you have any kind of, it has a hinge here. Now, it does have an actual adapter for the actual tripod. If you have a tripod, if you want to put it on the side, it has a shutter that's closed and opens. If you guys can see that, open and close. And it's supposed to be up to 2K. So we're going to put it to use, see how well it works. But just to let you know, the cable is tethered in. You cannot pull it out. And it's a type A connection. So let's put it to use. Camera here, and these are some of the settings I see in here. The quality, we're at 2560 by 14 by 40, so we're on the highest, all right, and we're capturing the audio on OBS right now, but we're going to be capturing on the actual camera too. So but I just wanted to see the settings first, because when I try to open OBS, it was a square. I couldn't expand it, so I ended up using the Microsoft camera and ended up setting up this camera through there. So we're going to set it up right now, and we're going to do a couple tests. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm testing it out right now. I have one light, and we're going to turn that light off right now. If you guys can see, I'm completely dark now. We're only going to use a monitor, so if you're doing a test in the darkness, this is pretty much how it's going to look like. Which the quality is pretty good. It is a little grainy here and there, but I mean, it is working, and we are bringing back like the light. And just to let you know, there is a computer right next to me right here, and it is a little loud because I got the fans working really loud right now. I like that it has, the camera has a little shutter here that you completely shut it down, but you're still going to be able to hear it. And like I said, this is tether in. So they give you a couple feet of cable, which is enough for a laptop or a desktop if you're sitting close by, 7 feet or 8. It's very expanded. It expands pretty long, so we're good. The quality is really good, actually capturing, you know, you can see the silhouette of my eyes and my head, and then pretty much very good. Not grainy enough. I mean, it's okay if you're gonna do a voice conference or video conferencing. This is a great camera. The audio is pretty good too, but if I was trying to capture it through OBS, it's gonna square it off. But if you're gonna use any other program, Microsoft Teams or any other universal Teams settings that you need to do, this camera's pretty good. So it works pretty much on every single device. It works on a Mac and it works on a PC. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.